Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Ryan.
And this is another episode of...
Spicy noodle.
Yeah, Spicy Noodle. Today, we are gonna look at Cup Noodles Diablo. This is from Mexico, by the way. The last mukbang I did was brutal, to say the least. I'm hoping this one will be a little more fun. Lately, I've been adding things to stuff I'm doing a mukbang of, but this is like the spiciest one in their Intensos spicy line. This is from Nissin Mexico. Thank you very much, you guys, for sending these. Always appreciate it. Guess what I did? I already cooked some. Wasn't that nice of me? Hey, Miles, you want to do a ready, set, go? Ready, set? Alright. Time to test Diablo. He's laughing at me again, ladies and gentlemen. It's what you do. You mock me. Is this all a game to you? Yeah.
I like that.
Fine. Alexa, meow.
Alexa, meow.
He likes that one, and he likes Alexa, fart. So, are you enjoying school? You like riding the bus? So yeah, fun stuff. Can you sing a song? Can you sing Jingle Bells? How's it go? How about Baby Shark? Alexa, fart. Alexa, meow. He's gotten it to do it a couple times. It's pretty cool. And he gets like all excited. He's like, I did it! I did it! You're hitting me with a maraca while I'm eating Mexican instant noodles. It's like you're tenderizing me. Are you going to cook me? Yes? No? Maybe? I would appreciate it if you didn't cook me and eat me, okay? So spicy level. Is this like as spicy as the last one I had? Thank God, no. How does it taste? Pretty good. Are my lips burning? Yeah. Is it hot? Yeah. It's got some good heat to it. I like it. My favorite though of the three varieties is the Latias Hot. Latias Hot? I can't remember what it was, but it basically came to hot wings. And it was so good. Like grilled chicken flavor. Well, there's a lot of broth here. I think it's time to unleash the broth extravaganza. So, here we go. Down the wrong pipe. Hey, none of that, none of that. Done. How'd I do?
Done.
Did I eat it all? All gone? Official? All done? Done. Okay. Yeah, it's got a nice flavor to it. I would totally recommend getting that one if you can. I don't know why, but getting Mexican varieties is so freaking hard. And they're really good. Well, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been...
My Hans.
Wishing you... enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one.
Bye. Goodbye.
You did good.